Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a season pass ticket today. So normally we would come here to our tickets, add a ticket, and choose pass. But today I've already created us a ticket. So normally we would come in and we would add our ticket name and our ticket price. Today I left it at 0 so that I could show you what it looks like after we purchase a ticket. We would add in our start date, our end date. Max uses, this gives us the ability to put a limit on how many times they can use a ticket. Today we'll just keep it at 0 for unlimited. Our pass disclaimer, this usually shows up on their ticket. Our description, our disclaimer, this will show up when they go to checkout. A short description. We make sure it's active and it's featured, and normally this would say insert. So we would insert it. We would come here to our images, choose a file, add it. When it pulls up, we'd make sure it's the picture that we want, and we would save it. Then we go back to our details, and we would check and double check everything that we have put in here. Because if we don't, if a customer goes to buy a ticket and the credentials are wrong, whatever the credentials are when they buy the ticket, that's the ticket they're getting. So we can't come back and change this. So we need to make sure everything is exactly how we want it to be. And then we would save it. Now we'll go buy our ticket. So here is where our short description comes in. This is our full description here. This is our pass disclaimer, the one that comes up on their ticket. They would come in here and they would choose a file for their picture to go on their ticket. They would upload it. Make sure that their face is seen, and then they would add it to their cart. And then this is where our other disclaimer comes in. Ours says that we're excluding the fire pit from the season pass and that they have to purchase them separately. We'd add it to the cart and we would go and check out. They would put in their information, and then they would place their order. Alright. When their order is received, they will see this order number here, and it's the same order number here. They have all of these options that they can print their order and print their tickets. They will receive an email. Their email will have their ticket at the bottom with their ticket number and their order number and their photo. For you to be able to check the status on season passes, you can come here to your reports, a season pass usage. You can filter it through what type of ticket you want. So we made the 2018 fall season pass, so if we wanted to filter that, we would see all the tickets that were bought in that category. We can see the number of uses that it's been used. We can also check this by going to ticket status, and if we know the order number, so my order number is right here on my ticket, we can put that in, and we can also see if it's been redeemed or not redeemed. And that is how we make our season passes.